Hello children, how are you all doing? Doing fine? All good? At your end? Same is at my end also. And I'm here to explain to you the next lesson after means of transport. You have seen the video, means of transport, and you know that many of the means of transport, they run on the roads. So when we have so many means of transport moving on the roads, we are likely to meet with an accident if we are not careful. To be careful, some rules have been made so that we follow all those rules and keep safe. So the lesson which you are going to see is about traffic rules, and so many rules are there, but you have to just see few of them and understand them properly so that you also know that how you have to behave on the road, how you have to go about on the roads, and you can even guide others also who are not moving by the rules of the road. So there are so many rules. One main rule is that we must always keep to the left. Always the left side. When we are going this side, go on the left hand side. When we are coming from there, be on the left side. So this is one main rule that we must follow always. And many more rules you are going to see. I will take it to the screen and you will understand it in a better way by seeing all those things which I have prepared for you. So come on, let's go to the screen and learn so many things about rules. Good morning, children. Have a nice day. Welcome to lesson 13, traffic rules. So children, in order to be safe on the road, we have to follow certain rules, and all vehicles must follow traffic rules and signals. These are the different signals given on the road, and the drivers who are driving the vehicles, they have to see these signals, understand, and do accordingly according to what the signal is saying. So we have to have good knowledge of all the signals on the road. The most important part of the traffic rule is the traffic light. It guides people when to stop or slow down or when to go. What does each light of the traffic signal say? We are going to see one by one about all the traffic signals. Red light means we have to stop our vehicles. As soon as we see the red light, we have to stop. In whichever vehicle we are going, we have to stop there so that other vehicles can move. Then green light, it means we have to go. After the green light is on, the stopped vehicles, they move ahead. Then comes the yellow light. After the green light, when the traffic signal shows yellow light, we have to slow down to stop our vehicles. Here we have to make our vehicles slow because we have to stop our vehicles after that. Have you seen any road symbols? What does each of them mean? All these are road symbols and each and every symbol means something. Few of them we are going to see in this part. This is the parking symbol. P written there, that is known as the parking symbol. This means we can park our vehicles here. We have to stop our vehicles when we see a stop symbol. So this is the stop symbol, and as soon as we see the stop symbol, we have to stop our vehicles. The pedestrian crossing symbol warns the drivers to slow down speed of the vehicle. So this is the pedestrian crossing symbol, and this, when the drivers see this pedestrian crossing symbol, it makes them alert that they have to make the vehicles slow so that the driver should look out for people crossing the road and they should not meet with an accident. For that reason, they slow down their vehicles. The give way symbol means we should give way to traffic on a major road, on a very important road. There are many vehicles moving, and sometimes some vehicles like ambulance and all, fire brigade, all these need to pass. So other vehicles should give those important vehicles way so that they move ahead. So the give way symbol means we should give way to traffic on a major road. School ahead symbol is used only where there are schools near the road. So this is the school ahead symbol, and this is made wherever there are schools on the road, near the road. The drivers need to drive slowly on such roads so that those children who are coming out of the school or they are crossing the road, they should not meet with an accident. For that reason, the drivers need to drive slowly on such roads. We should follow some rules on the road to be safe. Certain rules are there which we have to follow so that we are safe on the road, and others also we have to see to it that others are also safe. Because of our mistake, someone else should not meet with an accident. So cross the road only at the zebra crossing. This is the zebra crossing, and when you are crossing the road, you should cross at the zebra crossing because all the vehicles which are coming towards the zebra crossing, they slow down at that time. When they see that people are crossing on the zebra crossing, at the zebra crossing, they slow down their vehicles. So this is meant for people who are going to the other side of the road. Number 2 is always walk on the footpath. This is the footpath, and people who are walking, they should walk only on the footpath, not on the road, because they can meet with an accident. So you see there are so many vehicles moving on the roads, so we should not violate the rules or go against the rule of walking in the middle of the road. Instead, we should walk on the footpath. Number 3, before crossing a road, always look to your right and left. then cross the road. You have to look to your right and left and then cross the road, because the vehicle can come from right or left. So we should be very careful before crossing the road so that you don't meet with an accident. Number 4, always stand in a queue while waiting for a bus. This is called queue, standing in a line. In school also, you go everywhere, wherever you go, from your classroom to the art room or for the ground for playing, anywhere, you go in a queue. So we must always follow this rule, moving in a queue or standing in a queue when we are waiting for the bus. So this is known as queue. Number 5, always play in a park or in a playground but not on the road. So we must play in a park or anywhere where playing places made for children, playground, or anywhere where there is some special place kept for children to move around or play, but not on the road, because your life can be in danger and the life of the person who is driving can be in danger. All of a sudden, when the driver puts the brake, then he can also meet with an accident. So we must always play in a park, not on the road. Number 6, do not put your hand or arm out of the moving vehicle. This is a moving vehicle and we should not put not only our arm but our body also, we should not put out of the moving vehicle, because any other vehicle which is crossing by can knock you down, or your hand can be cut off, or it can your body, and you can also die, your body can be knocked down. So that's why we must be very careful about all these things. So now we are coming to the exercise part, something to do. A, fill in the blanks with the correct words. Always walk on the footpath. Cross the road at zebra crossing. Wait for the bus in a queue. Do not get off a moving bus. When you are going in a bus and the bus is moving, you should not get down. Always follow traffic rules on the road. So when you are moving on the road, always follow the traffic rules. B, color the traffic signal below and write what each color stands for. So in your book you have got this traffic signal. You will color red, yellow, green, and you will write: red light says stop, yellow light says wait, green light says go. C, tick the picture which shows the traffic rules are followed. So you see in the pictures over here, in the middle of the road, children are playing, and here at the red signal, the vehicle has stopped. So the second picture is the right one. Here also you can see at the bus stop, people are standing in a queue, and here you can see this boy's hand is out. Another vehicle is coming behind. So this is the wrong way to move, and this is the right way to stand in a queue while waiting for a bus. Here you can see a girl moving or walking on the footpath, and in this picture you can see a boy running behind a moving bus to catch the bus. So actually this picture, this boy is doing the wrong thing and this girl is doing the right thing. So children, this is the end of the lesson. I'm sure you have understood everything. You have been explained through the Google Meet also, and the exercises you will do and send to me, and try to follow all the traffic rules so that you and your family and others moving on the road will be safe. And rules have to be followed everywhere, but traffic rules are very important for our lives also and for the lives of others. So be good and obedient in following these rules. Another rule which we have to follow all the time these days is stay home, because if you stay home you will be safe. So thank you for listening and being good, sending your work always on time, and doing your work neatly in good handwriting. Bye till I see you in the next lesson.